Everybody knows things roll downhill. I don't have to demonstrate that for you. But let's take a closer look at what causes rotation. This L-shaped object topples over and won't stand up straight on a horizontal surface. But put it on an incline, and it stands just fine. Let's take a closer look at why that is. This object has an arrow suspended from its center of mass. Gravity pulls it towards the center of the Earth. Take a close look at where that arrow is with respect to the support base. There's the arrow, and there's the support base, and this object is standing up straight. Where is it in this case? What's going to happen? Put it on an incline, and notice where the arrow is now with regard to the support base. Here's a demonstration you may have seen done with a wine bottle. But since I'm shooting all these video demonstrations at home because of COVID-19, I thought this was more appropriate. Where is the center of mass of the bottle? Let's take another look at my disc. Where is the center of mass of my disc? It's not in the center.